Hey there, Matt Tall Guy Anderson with Steffes Auctioneers. It's that time of year. Our December 19th construction sale is right around the corner. And behind me on this sale are three beautiful Cat 259D skid steers. And I got to show you something on these things here. I want you to check this out real quick. Check that out. Check that out. Remote grease kits. Who does that? Well, one of our very good customers, CS McCrossin, does that. I take care of their stuff. If you want to check out these skids along with many other items on this sale, you can check it out. It opens December 12th, closes December 19th. SteffesGroup.com. See you there.